guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want to share with you guys this table that I just purchased off of Facebook. After making this, I was inspired to find a table, a metal table that I can place here and just make this a cute little area for now. If my husband's not going to use it for anything in particular, I want to do that. So yeah, I got this table for $10, which was a good deal in my opinion. And I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna paint it mustard because I really enjoy this color a lot. I have my my potting cart in that color and a few other things, and the chairs. I have some chairs in that color as well. So that, and then after I'm done painting that, and I'll show you what it looks like after I paint it, I'm gonna show you a small haul. Some gifts that I got for my birthday. It's not my birthday yet, but the gifts have been given to me early. So let me get to painting. Here's the table all painted up. I love it. I really do. Super cute. I think it came out super nice. I was even observing it. I can possibly put a plant down there because it would get enough light to keep its like shape and color. So yeah. Here it is. It looks super cute over here. You guys know I like mustard. I did a pretty heavy coat because, well, it was already rusting up, and in order for it to not to continue to rust, you want to put a nice heavy coat over it. And that's it, guys. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the plants that I got as a gift from my sister-in-law. For the first plant that my sister-in-law purchased for me is this beautiful patio Dr. Cornelius. Dr. I imagine is for Dr. Cornelius. It's $8. It is super beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see those beautiful hints of pink tips on it. I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. I put my Lazy Susan on here and I think it looks really nice and it goes really well with the table. So this is information on here. It's a hybrid of whatever that is, and an unknown in terraria. Needs well draining soil, water thoroughly, same thing, protect from frost. And that's about it. Full to part sun. So I really like this one, obviously. And now let me grab the other one. Beautiful arrangement. It is so pretty. I think that this here, it was $15. I think that is an awesome deal for how many plants you get. I also think that this has been planted for quite a while, because you can see leaves starting to push out pups. And I also think that this is not the same as this one. This looks like a California sunset, but this one looks like is it called Alpenglow? Something like that. Alpenglow. So I think that that's what this one is. I'm not too sure about, I think it is the same, but definitely this is a California sunset, but not, I don't think this one is. You can tell because the leaves will look a little bit dimensional. They have like a certain type of dimension on it. And it's got this beautiful flapjack. And I'm wondering, I think this is a type of euphorbia. And I wonder if it's in the family of the same as the devil's backbone. I'm not sure. If you guys know the name of this one, let me know. And then this one, this is the main reason I got this one, is for this one. I really like the way it looks, super chunky, and it's just a really pretty green. Obviously, I don't know the name of this one. I don't know if it's, I don't think it's Echeveria or Setiveria Leticia. I don't think it's that. And I don't know if it's the Chile one. Let me know. And then this one I also don't know the name of. So if you know the name of that, please let me know. Now I also wanted to talk to you guys about, I have tried many times to label my plants, and I would use, first I wrote on the labels and they, you know, washed away, or the sun just bleached them. Then I used a labeler, and that the sun bleached as well. And I always knew I needed, like, it's called an embossing one, I think. So here it is. This is what I got, and I started already making some labels. So if you're not familiar, I know everyone, this is so old. The difference between this is something that is stamped, like it is stamped into the plastic, and it creates the letters. It is not ink. So this is why this will work really well and will not fade away or anything like that. So I should be able to start labeling my my plants without any problem. There's 2 more plants that I need to get that I purchased myself, and then I'll show you guys. These are the last 2 that I purchased from Home Depot. These are the 5 for $10. I only got these 2. Let me tell you that they replenished this, at least at my Home Depot, and they had tons and tons of lolas. So if you're looking for lolas, go check it out. This is Echeveria. I think it's called, the way you pronounce it is purpureum, something like that. But yeah, super beautiful. I still have these, but they were out during the fall when they got so much rain, so I beheaded them and they're recovering, so we'll see. But I really like the way these look, so I purchased them again, and they were only $2. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for commenting and always supporting my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And yeah, have a blessed day. Bye, guys.